So question number 12, we have second part. Find the equation of a line which passes through 0, -1 and is perpendicular to line joining these 2 points. I suggest you always draw the diagram first. Line is passing through a point 0, -1 and is perpendicular to another line which is the join of 2 points, that is 0, 1 and 3, 5, and line itself whose equation we are finding is passing through 0, -1. Let us say we are finding the equation of AB line and CD is the perpendicular line. So if we know that it passes through one point, we can use one point form. For that we need its slope. Now you can see the slope of line CD. We can find by using y2 minus y1, that is 5 minus 1 upon x2 minus x1. So we got it 4 by 3. Now AB is given perpendicular to CD. So slope of AB, so slope of perpendicular lines we know is what? Reciprocal and negative. So now we know the slope and the point through which it passes. So the equation of AB, one point form, y minus y1 is equal to slope x minus x1. That is y minus, point given is -1, slope minus 4 by 3, reciprocal and negative, write it 3 by 4. So minus 3 by 4 and x minus x1 is given 0. So just 4y plus 4 is equal to minus 3x. We got it 3x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0 is your required equation. Question number 14. Find the equation of perpendicular bisector of a line joining 2, 3 and 6, minus 5. Let us say A, B. Equation of perpendicular bisector means we are going to find the equation of this line which is passing through the midpoint of AB. So it is bisector and is also perpendicular of AB. Let us say the line is CD. Now question is to find the equation of CD, which is perpendicular to AB and which passes through the midpoint of AB. So first of all, midpoint M. Midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 upon 2, y1 plus y1 upon 2. So we got it 4 minus 1 is the point M. And now we need the slope. One point we come to know. Now we need the slope. So slope of AB first. Slope of AB line is minus 5 minus 3 upon 6 minus 2. That is minus 8 upon 4 minus 2. Now slope of AB is this. CD is perpendicular to AB. So slope of CD is reciprocal and negative. So we got the slope of CD is 1 by 2 and M point through which it passes is 4 minus 1. Then equation of CD, and CD is what is your perpendicular bisector. So equation of CD is y minus y1, this is the point, is equal to slope CD 1 by 2 x minus x1, that is 4. So 2y plus 2 is equal to x minus 4. So x minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 is your required equation. Just write it down.